The revolutionary PureAir HVAC provides continuous air and surface sanitation, creating healthier environments for your employees and customers. What makes PureAir HVAC superior is our powerful broad-spectrum UV lamp, proprietary quad metallic catalyst, and a reactive surface area more than 16 times greater than the competition. Installed into your existing ductwork, PureAir HVAC features the same purification technology developed and used by NASA. This cost-effective active purification technology provides advanced purification anytime your HVAC system is running. Traditional filters are passive, requiring air to pass through them to be cleaned. Oftentimes, particles such as bacteria and viruses are too small to be trapped in the filter. Active air purification is different. Powerful advanced oxidation products, or AOPs, are propelled into your space to hunt down contaminants, even the very small ones, and destroy them, not just in the air, but on surfaces as well. At the same time, ions go out and charge harmful particulates, causing them to fall out of your breathing space. The result is a significant reduction of odors, allergens, mold, bacteria, viruses, volatile organic compounds, and more. PureAir HVAC features a proprietary form of photocatalytic oxidation, active radiant catalysis, or ARC, which replicates nature's purifying process of turning moisture into a safe and effective form of hydrogen peroxide. These powerful cleaners continuously sanitize the air and surfaces in your space, destroying microbes and rendering contaminants harmless. With the fresh, clean air from PureAir HVAC, you can live with an air of confidence.